This is Harsh Shah, equity partner at Economic Loss Practice. Just wanted to share my thoughts, and I thought I'll speak on something not spoken in the budget. So a lot of times, not something not spoken could even be good news. To start with, there was no discussion on the income tax rates, which means that there is no change in the income tax rates, which is of course a very welcome move, and we could see that by the upswing that the stock market immediately responded to. While there was a much anticipated COVID cess, considering the free vaccination drive for a country as massively populated as ours, again, no announcements on the COVID cess further provided the impetus to our economy. Although a clever stroke has been made by introducing the Agriculture Infrastructure and Development cess, the AIDC, but there is a corresponding rationalization in the basic customs duty, and she's promised, our FM has promised, that it's not going to be resulting into additional burden at the consumer level. So that's good news again. Having said so, a few other things which possibly could have added further limelight to this budget was about the an amnesty scheme or a dispute resolution scheme under the customs law. We've been having the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme and a few amnesty schemes under the indirect taxes. A step in the right direction, possibly, and even considering the pendency of litigation that we have in our country, could be a dispute resolution scheme under customs. So that's one probably which we could, call it a miss or could have helped further. Much awaited was inclusion of certain petroleum products, especially natural gas or ATF, under GST. Now, there's an anomaly here because most of the costs that these entities incur suffers a GST on the procurement side, but they do not have a corresponding outward GST. So this has been resulting into credit accumulation without any possible utilization. There were representations made to include these products, but maybe better luck next time is what we could say. Another issue which has been creating a lot of ruckus is about the inverted duty structure under GST and a bit under customs. Good part, the FM herself heads the GST Council, and she's promised in a budget speech that endeavor will be made to cover up or to resolve the inverted duty structure. We look forward to how fast this is resolved. Although on the customs side, there are certain changes which have been made, specifying that these are to correct the inverted duty structure which is existing under customs. Last but not the least, the recent announcement which is started from 1st January is the road tape scheme, remission of duties and taxes on exported products. This essentially does away the MEIS scheme, and it would have been good, honestly, even if we would have had some directional statement from the FM around this. While the details got to be part of the foreign trade policy, touch upon this would have really helped the industry. But on the whole, whatever said and done, nothing takes away the wonderful budget that we've had in this pandemic times. Thank you.